How to change lowercase to uppercase in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. Simply click on the cell where you want to change lowercase to uppercase. Then go to Formula on top and then click on Text. In text, you'll find all these options. Simply scroll down till you find Upper. Click on Upper. After you've done that, select the names or letters you want to change to uppercase. After you have selected, press on OK and all the text will be changed into uppercase in different cell that you chose. This is how to change lowercase to uppercase in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.